Hey Taylor, time to get going. Fire alarm. Hey, I've been hearing a lot about vaping in the news and social media. I'd really like to sit down and talk with you about it. Sure. Okay. Maybe today after school? Sure. Okay. Your sister's out of the house tonight, so maybe just you and I'll be home. Okay. Okay. Alright. Well, have a good day. Alright, thank you. Alright, love you. Bye. Hey Taylor, your sister's at practice. I think now's probably a good time to talk about vaping. Sure. Okay, where would you like to go to? Why don't we at the table? Okay. I found a few short videos on the school website about vaping. So I think we'll start there and we'll watch from there. Okay. Okay, can we do homework for? Sure. Okay. Can you see the screen? Yeah. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is set some ground rules. Okay. Okay, and they're right here on the screen, so we'll go through them together. Okay. Allow each other to speak without interruption.
Keep our voices calm, respectful, and non-judgmental.
Be honest with one another.
Provide one another with undivided attention.
Put away and silence all phones and other devices not used for this lesson. Do you have yours on you?
Yes.
Mine's are away. Thank you.
Be open to learning this information together. So this is going to be a conversation on a lecture, right?
Yeah, no lecture.
Okay.
Alright. So, question is, what is vape?
So from what I know, it's kind of like a little cigarette, but it's like bigger. It can come in like a flash drive that you like plug on the side of your computer. And maybe it comes in different flavors and all that.
Okay. Well, let's watch a couple short videos and see where it takes us from there. Okay. Okay, thanks. Alright, so was there anything in that video that was new to you?
Yeah, I knew there were flavors for the vaping, but I didn't know that there was that many flavors, and that they were really targeting younger kids to do it.
Yeah, there's a lot of flavors, especially like the bubble gum and ones that kids would really want to be attracted to.
And you think that wouldn't be good just because, well, it's bubble gum and it's like drugs and all that stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't realize all the different devices that come in. I just figured it was a cigarette looking thing. Kind of scary. So we didn't know if little ones were running around with a USB, thing or actual vape.
Yeah, exactly.
So they talk about different questions in here too that we can go over. So we can talk about those. Have you ever seen anybody vaping?
No, I've kind of seen things, like on the news, how it's like up and rising and all that stuff, but other than that, not really.
Yeah, I've never seen anybody vaping. I wonder too, cigarettes and all that, like before it was always just people would just do it and not think much about it, but now you see people smoking in only designated areas, and now they know the history behind it and what could happen for the effects of smoking. I wonder if that will happen with vaping, like after giving it a year or two, if now people that vape will have like symptoms and chronic illnesses and cancer.
I'm sure there will be, because like with smoking, like the rich people did it and all that stuff, and then it came to a point when everybody was getting lung cancer and all that stuff, and people were dying because they were smoking. Yeah. Now it's not as cool anymore, and it's just gross.
Yeah. But I am glad they make designated areas for it. Do you think kids are really aware of the nicotine in vapes, or do they think it's just something they're blowing out smoke and not really understanding that they're giving themselves nicotine?
Yeah, I think they just don't think much about it. They think it's cool, and that's it.
Yeah. So is there anything I can do to help you to not vape, or tell people about vaping, or not have your friends vaping?
I think, just keep watching the news, and if you see like, it came out in a different device, just tell me so I can know. So if a friend says, hey, do you want to use my pen or whatever, I know it's not just a pen, it's something different.
Yep. You can always come and talk to me about things or questions. I might not know the answer, but we can figure it out together. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks. This was a nice conversation.
It was.
Yeah.